Alright guys, gonna be doing some fishing today. Fishing with Matt from SOMD Ducks and Bucks.
Yep, attempting anyways.
And we're gonna see if we can get ourselves some bass. He's telling me there's some nice bass in here, so hopefully it works out pretty well. I'm excited. Let's get out there and catch some fish. Alright guys, gonna see what we should go to. Gonna go with something a little more shad-like. Let's go to the Spook right here. A little less frog-like and a little more Spook-like. Alright, just had one miss. The Spook right there. It was a tiny bass, but it's a good sign. First one of the morning, just walking the Spook. Oh, got one fish. Didn't catch him though. Alright guys, got a nice 6-7 pound bass right here. Alright, look at that. Oh my god. Woo. That is crazy guys. He just straight demolished the Spook. That has to be he's skinny, so probably about 6 pounds. That's unbelievable. That's a 23, 24 inch largemouth. Whoo! Dude, he straight smoked it. Alright guys, just got this good 5.5 pound largemouth right here. Man, he just straight smoked it. It was crazy. Just working the Spook. Did not see it coming really, and then he missed it the first time I threw it back in there and he crushed it. Alright, we're gonna get a release on him. Probably biting. Awesome. Woo! Alright guys, I got my little finesse rig, weightless Wacky rig, and I got the Spook. Round 2. Let's see if we can get another 5-6 pound bass. Woo! Sweet. Got one? Oh, yeah. He's got a nice one. I can literally hear it from here. Dude, he just straight. Sounded like he smoked it. It sounded like he smoked it, dude. That's sweet. Oh, you were using a. What were you using?
Yes, it was a follow up on a Topwater strike.
Bro, we're using the exact same Spook. I just realized that.
Yeah, that's the only one I use. The sexy dog Spook.
That's so funny. That is amazing. So we're actually both using the same Spook. I was kind of wondering what Spook he was throwing, but it's the same one. Oh my gosh.
I couldn't tell you how many Spooks I've lost in that tree.
Well, no, what was funny is I hung it like right on the edge of like a limb, so it was barely hanging there. I kept bobbing it up and down. I was trying to get something to take it, but he just didn't want to take it. Alright guys, we're going to try to change the game up here a little bit, see You know, I'm gonna go with a different spook just for fun, since we're both using the same one. And he got one.
Dude, my GoPro wasn't on. He hit it as soon as
Size bass? Yeah, that's not a bad one.
2.5. I'll try that too.
Ooh, he's barely hooked. Got him.
If they're running shad is the way to go. The sexy shad, Super Spook Junior. That's the bait right there.
All right, we want to let him go.
Get bigger, man.
All right, awesome, dude.
All right, let's get on some more.
I might have to go old school and use the Xcaliber.
Oh, yeah?
It's a Bill Dance spook. All right, guys. First cast with the Xcaliber. I put it right back in my bag because I wasn't thinking. Let's see, how big is this bass? Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Oh my god. Woo!
Holy crap, man.
The Xcaliber.
Awesome looking fish.
That's unreal, dude. All right, nose first. Hopefully that'll help him. Oh wow, that was fantastic. Don't do it that way, guys.
Go get some more, man.
Alrighty. Woo! Did you get him? Did you get him? That was unreal. Dude, you get consistent 2 to 4 pounders out of here.
It's just like on the handmade, on my homemade lure too.
That is so dope.
Nothing big, not like he's been catching. He's been catching all the tanks, but
It's still not bad, you know, at any other place.
They know how to fight, and they will fight. Like, and it's just constant action.
It was great. Wow. Here we go, guys. He's got another one. Man, we got so many fish already.
I just straight choked. Right in the fucking head.
We are putting on a clinic. All right, guys, here's another bass. They really like it if I turn the GoPro off. They're like, oh shit, I can smack it. That's the smallest one of the day. But you know what? It doesn't matter.
We pulled like 5 fish out of the same hole.
Let's see if I can. Oh my god. Yeah, that was huge, dude. I got that one on the GoPro. Of course, the one that I missed. First cast, dude, these straight smoked. I don't know how I missed that fish. I probably set the hook a little too early. All right, guys, got a fish. Dude, I'm telling you right now what happened was, first cast I saw a little boil, so I pitched it back in there. And when I threw it back in there, it didn't even get down past like the very first part of the water column, and I saw the fish come up and eat it. So I just like let the line go slack, let him swallow the bait, and then I set the hook. It was so sick. Wow, right in the top corner of the mouth. That's our bottom corner of the mouth. That is unreal. Tiny little hook does the job. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Man, you stole my Wacky rig. All right, caught a lot of bass today, had a really good time. Thanks again for letting me come out here.
He did good, he outfished me, I'll tell you that. I may have got him on numbers, but he definitely got me on quality. We missed a lot. He missed a real solid, like 6, 6.5, maybe 7, who knows. I missed one like right there.
That might have been around the same size too.
You know, it's hard to tell, but there's just massive fish in here. So anyways, it was good. Cloud cover was good, wind was good, and the spook game is always killing it out here. All right, I guess maybe I'll see you guys next time, if he approves.
Definitely. He'll definitely be around again. So like I said, you know, it was an awesome day. We caught a lot of fish, and make sure to check out his channel. All right, guys. See you guys next time. on the water.